Guys, look at this YouTube channel. This channel got only 200,000 views in the last month, and this channel is earning over $600 per month. In this video, I will share 3 faceless YouTube channel ideas to help you start earning passive income on YouTube right now. Before we start this video, I want to thank you all. I'm very happy to share that I've just received my first sponsor for this channel from an AI voiceover company. This is a big milestone, and I'm thrilled about it. Lovo Ai is a very useful website for generating AI voices for your faceless YouTube channel. Their free plan is great, and their basic plan starts at just $29. So guys, make sure to check out Lovo Ai. Subscribe using the link in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Our first idea is a horror story channel. This type of channel primarily targets audiences in the United States, and its average RPM is around $3. Let's take a look at an example video from this niche.
Plus, it had its own bathroom down there. We had a quiz in astronomy that day. Usually I was one of the first done just because I found the class easy.
Our second niche is motivational videos. This is one of the easiest niches I've ever come across. All you need to do is generate a script and voiceover using AI, then pair it with a simple background. The average RPM for this niche is around $2, and it's a highly searchable niche with a lot of potential. Let's see an example of this niche video.
What do I do when my situation does not line up with my expectation? Where I am is not where I saw myself being. I think some of us in this...
Our third niche is quiz videos. This is one of the most popular niches in the United States, especially among kids. The average RPM for this niche is around $1, but don't worry, you'll likely get significantly more views compared to other niches. Now, let's watch an example video from this niche.
Guess this restaurant. Great start! It's McDonald's!
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next one, I'll show you how much money I made using this channel by uploading just 3 videos. So, stay tuned, and bye for now.